Now we are going to learn more about spring constant. From previous video, we have learned that the spring constant for spring N is 2 Newton per centimeter. However, when you look at this unit, you understand that this unit is not SI unit, because SI unit for length is meter. So what you need to do is you need to divide 2 Newton with 1 centimeter and then convert centimeter to meter, and then you have 1 times 10 power negative 2, because the value of prefix centi is 10 power negative 2, and then the unit is meter. And when you calculate this, you get 200 Newton per meter. Okay, that is the first thing you need to know. And then pay attention to this graph. Do you notice that something is changed here? Okay, this is x, and now x is on y-axis, and force is on x-axis. So what happens now, when you calculate the gradient, you get this number. However, this number is not the spring constant of the spring. In the previous lesson, we have learned that the gradient of the graph, fx graph, is the spring constant. But in this case, it is not the spring constant because we have changed the axis. So what we need to do is we need to apply in this formula. For for this graph, x versus f, the spring constant is equal to 1 over gradient. So when you substitute this number here, you get this 1 over 0.5, and then you get 2 Newton per centimeter. As we have calculated earlier, if you want to use SI unit, it should equals to 200 Newton per meter.